This is Twin Cities Adventures. We're at Arden Park in Edina, and we're gonna brave the rapids. We're gonna kayak Minnehaha Creek. Minnehaha Creek. Okay, here's 54th and Falls Bridge at Arden Park. The rapids are high. It's the end of April. And here's our yaks. There's 1, 2, and Samuel's over there on 3. Franklin, you ready for this?
Yep.
All right, let's go check out Samuel. Samuel, France Avenue. Is the perfect day and the perfect weather for kayaking. Good job, Samuel. Good job, Franklin. Good yak skills, boys. More rapids ahead. Good job, Franklin.
End of our adventure. We are at Lake Nokomis, and we're going to call an Uber to go back to our car.
See here, we just chain up our yaks to the tree. They're 25-foot cable. Everything's safe. And that's that. Thanks for watching.